Hello everyone, we are excited to introduce a new update in 3 commas that will improve your DCA bots. The MA cross condition has been renamed to moving average, or MA, and includes new options like less than and greater than. This update allows your bots not only to identify trends using the built-in moving average indicator, but also to operate within the trend while it remains active, maximizing potential gains regardless of market direction. Let's take a closer look at how the moving average indicator works in this scenario. Moving average lines are included on the TradingView chart with a 1-hour time frame chart of Bitcoin. The blue line indicates a fast MA 9 and the orange line indicates a slow MA 50. Our goal is to configure our DCA bot to consistently trade long during an uptrend and short during a downtrend. Here are the steps to set up a bot to trade continuously with a long bot using a moving average indicator. Go to the Deal Start Conditions section. Select the moving average indicator. Configure the conditions and settings as follows. Set the fast MA and slow MA. In our example, we configured the fast MA to 9 and the slow MA to 50. Choose greater than as the condition. If you want to set up a short bot to trade continuously when the fast moving average crosses the slow MA from above, use the same conditions as for the long bot and select less than as a condition. Continuous or non-stop trading mode means that once the bot closes one deal, it will immediately open another one, and this cycle will continue as long as the trend persists. In a rising market, long bots will continue trading continuously, and when the market trend shifts to bearish, short bots will take over and trade continuously during the downtrend. It's important to note that for secure trading with this method, it is advisable to utilize a stop loss to safeguard your capital if the trend unexpectedly reverses. Stay tuned for more updates designed to enhance your trading success and security.